Yo, what is up? What's been happening? Welcome back to another episode of Those Car Dudes. Tonight we find ourselves at Otis because, well, Nathan, we're going to be working on the S14.
That's right, a few months ago we went at this car with an angle grinder and it was awesome.
I would have never thought that I would ever throw a grinder at my S14.
That's exactly what you did,
Just
JD.
into pieces.
You did, and we didn't just cut it up because we wanted some cool slow-mo B-roll footage of sparks flying at night.
It was pretty cool.
That was very, very cool, and I'd probably do it again in a heartbeat. The reason why we cut the rear guards on the Silvia is because we're wanting to weld them up and fit over fenders to the car.
That's right, Nathan, and that's why we're here at Otis. Thank you to the boys here at Otis for letting us use your welder in your shop. Massive shout out. And well, Nathan, after we welded these guards, we're going to be able to fit these fenders and then fit the side skirts, and those are the only things that need to be fitted left on this car, which means that we can polish it, which is
look so good.
Which is so good. And well, Nathan, let's get into it.
Let's do it.
Now that the car is jacked up off of the floor and we have the wheels off the back, we can now, well, deal with these guards, Nathan. They are so ready to be welded. Look at them.
Very good.
Nathan, the last time we cut them, we cut the outer piece a little bit higher than we did the inner piece, and that's only for us to now smash this inner piece up to meet the outer piece. But before we start smashing, we're going to clean up the surface and get ready for welding. We knew that these rear guards needed to get welded, and that's why we only temporarily installed the rear bumper. Now all we have to do is just unclip it from the back, which means it gives us a bit of room to work with. Once the rear guards are all sorted, that means we can install this rear bumper correctly and properly when we're done. It took a whole lot longer than what we thought to bash these inner guards out to meet the outer ones. Nathan, what do you have to say for yourself?
Bro, that was hard work, man.
That was long.
That was actually hard work.
We probably spent about half an hour each side just bashing it as hard as we could.
We were taking turns. We were like swapping the hammer, be like, okay, your turn, bro, and then like swapping back.
This is essentially it. This is what we're looking for. We have contact between the outer panel and the inner panel. Now that means that we can now start welding. Now that we've cleaned up all the surfaces. Once we've welded it, we can then maybe trim that off a little bit smaller and go from there.
Amazing.
And we're back here at my place, at my garage. Well, we're going to be doing some more work on the S14, and as you would have seen earlier in this video, we have been working on this S14 trying to get these rear guards welded, and unfortunately I am not a very good welder, so we got my mate Heino in to give us a hand, and he did a great job to get these guards all welded up. Well, we left it at that, and we got a bit of ahead of ourselves and fitted the rear guards already to the car without showing you how to do that. So tonight's job is going to be trying to explain how we got these guards on the back of this S14. So, as you can see, big reveal, hello, how you doing? It's held in with these tech screws. So tonight we're going to remove these and we're going to be replacing these tech screws with these rivets. But unfortunately we have the wrong size rivets, so we're going to go to Nathan's house, maybe stop by, get some food, and we're going to get the right size rivets and get these panels fitted to the car properly without these hideous tech screws sticking out of it. Nathan, what do you have to say for yourself?
I think it's all very good and we should just put a V8 in it.
Powerful, Nathan.
Powerful.
Well, there is a big gap that I'm walking in. This is where the E30 used to be, Nathan.
It is.
This is very exciting because
yes.
Well, now it is at the paint shop getting painted.
It's at the paint shop getting painted, and it will be back here very, very soon. It's...
Whoa, was that those car dudes sticker? Yes, this This is the tool that we need, Nathan, to make this whole job happen. Rivets, 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 rivets in here. Any rivets in here? Nope. Rivets, 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 rivets. Oh, Nathan, would there be rivets in here? No, not that one. What's that? I don't even know. Oh, what's in this one? Oh, what's in that one? Wow, I don't even know what that is. That's like random pieces of stuff. Rivets, rivets, rivets. Screws and stuff.
You having any luck there?
No rivets.
Alright.
Whoa, Nathan, is that the magical toolbox that has everything that we need in it?
Maybe, JD. Maybe. No. No, it's not.
Oh, Nathan, that wasn't very exciting.
But it has another side.
Oh, whoa!
Yes.
You just flipped it over
Just
like
when
it
you
was no
thought
one's business.
it was all over.
Are there rivets in there?
No. Look what I just found. Rivets, everybody.
Wow.
Many rivets.
Wow, Nathan, I was just about to make the call to say that you don't have any rivets.
But they're not the same size as the other ones, but if we use those ones instead...
Not very exciting, Nathan. How many are there?
Well, there's at least 7.
Mate, well, what happened in this case?
What?
The front fell off. That's what happened in this case. Well, we got rivets, and well, we're about to take these rivets and put them on the car, mate. And look at these rivets; they're just so
Riveting.
Wow.
They're riveting, absolutely.
Wow. It's so blue in here right now, bro. Why is it so blue?
Yeah, buy those rivets, mate.
Why is it so blue?
It'll change the white balance. It's not that hard.
Oh, look at the white balance, mate.
Hey.
Nathan, you have your hairdryer.
This is
and,
not a hairdryer.
We're about
This
to.
is a drill from Super Cheap Auto. It's been very well used, as you can see,
Fantastic.
but she still does the job.
Yeah,
So what
she
we're going
does.
to do is drill the hole slightly bigger than these rivets. This is a 4.8 in diameter. This is a 5. Let's do it.
Details, Nathan.
What we've got here, are you ready for this? And we've got this massive rivet gun. Yeah,
What's
out
going
of
on?
nowhere. Which is great. And it reminds me of the things that police put on the roads, the spike strips when you're going too fast. Like, slow down, you muppet! And then they go, whoop! And
Whoa, dude,
Oh,
that
sorry,
was
way too
so
close.
Could have damaged our paint job.
That could have. So we're going to try this out and see if we can rivet these guards onto the car.
That's unreal.
The over fender is fitted and JD is fitting the side skirts, which is super exciting. JD, the car is really coming together. How are you feeling?
Nathan, we're not there yet, but I'm feeling very excited.
It's gonna be so sick. It's already looking really mean. Once we get these tech screws out and get the rivets in, we're probably gonna paint the rivets black. We'll see how we go, but we reckon it might look a bit cleaner, and this car is gonna look amazing.
What an exciting day, Nathan. We got to fit some white fenders on the S14 and make it just a little bit more wider, which will set us up nicely for the things that are to come.
Yes, there are things to come, and you can probably guess what those things are, but you won't know until the next episode on the Silvia. Oh my gosh, the Silvia is getting treats. You're probably wondering why there's a big gash on my head.
Gash on your head,
Yes, that was because I was grinding the guards with the angle grinder and it bounced back and just got me right in the forehead. pretty ruthless.
True story.
No, not true at all. I came off my mountain bike, had a helmet on, but still scraped my face.
We should show a video right now
over.
of you hitting the floor.
Okay,
right now.
Go.
Oh!
Totally not car related, but that's how that happened.
You are brave.
I
taking
literally
on jumps.
have
It
graces.
was a little bump as well. It wasn't even a big jump. It was just like a little bit, and then you went.
No, it wasn't. It was quite a big gap. It wasn't high, but if you see the gap,
Nathan, this is the outro
look,
to the
I'm
video.
a
Can we
beginner.
finish
I'm a
the video?
beginner mountain biker. All I have to say is that I have grazes all over my arms and my legs, and getting into the shower today was reckless.
More things to come on the Silvia.
Many more things to come on the Silvia. Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned for the next video because it's gonna blow your mind. It blew our minds when we were filming it. But other than that, guys, follow us on Instagram, hit that sub button, and we will see you in the next video.
Peace out.